Uh, Hello, my friends. I'm in the Swedish forest right now, and it's very quiet. Uh, I really like the weather like now. Right now, it's very rainy day, and I really like this weather. It's very good for the forest and so. And I found a secret route here, and you see the road isn't going on much because trees already are growing on the road here. So there are many trees that grow there, and I really like these colors of the forest. You know, see, it's like this. The orange of the pine trees, and yeah, it's orange, and then there's this yeah, it starts raining right now. It's not so good for my camera, it's not waterproof, but maybe I hide under this tree for a moment. So yeah, this orange color of the trees here. This is the pine tree, and especially this tree, I really like the orange color. There are a lot of amazing colors like right now, like the blueberries are turns like red and orange, and then there's this white moss on the ground. These colors just are amazing. If I can show you, it's like a mix of white, yellow, green mouse, and red blueberries. And this is one of the most vivid forests, I think. It's really special. Wait, I put my camera down for a moment, so. I think I have an idea to put maybe a bag above my camera so it doesn't get wet. But yeah, let's see. Ooh. Okay, so I'm very curious what is there when you keep walking there. So I think this might work. You see that the way there wasn't any. It's just all this vegetation on the road. You see, this road wasn't used like in a few years. So it's really amazing to see how the nature takes back its land. And many people don't like the rain, but I think the rain is one of the most beautiful. It's very, for Sweden, I think the rain is very, very good, you know. And it's one of my favorite weathers because everything starts to get alive, you know. When it rains in the forest, it's very good for the forest. And It just makes the forest very happy, you know. It makes me happy too when it rains. And I really like the sound of the rain too. The sound, and when it's not too cold, I really like to stand in the rain and to get a shower. And yeah, okay. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Sorry about that. You know, I think that I have some really bad issues, but I really don't like to share them on YouTube. But you know, I should say that I'm not making many videos anymore. But because I don't feel so happy, I really have problems. So, very bad problems for quite a few years now. And I really feel very horrible. But I don't think I really like to make. Sometimes I upload videos and I feel just very bad about it. Wait, I put my camera down. And I don't know, I just don't like to talk about when I feel bad. Just feel like I put the energy to negative energy, and I'm really not fan of that. And you know, I have a really great time in Sweden and all, but you know, there are like issues, and just know that a few years ago I was much happier than I am recent time. Curious where I am right now. Somewhere really far away from civilization. It's quite amazing that most of the forest here, they're really just, there's so many cities in Sweden, but it's like everything is surrounded in forest. Like there's maybe one small city and then there's this, forest everywhere. For me, this is really, really amazing. Because I'm really big fan of nature and so on. And I'm sorry if this video is a bit boring. I think right there is a lake, but to search where I am. Okay, I'm somewhere in Sweden, somewhere in the forest. This is where I am, and this is the magical forest here. This area. I'm not so far away from that. And right there is the lake. There's so many lakes. Just crazy. This landscape is absolutely magical, like. Wow. Okay. It's raining more and more, so you probably can hear it. But yeah, I don't think this video will be so long anymore, because it's quite difficult, I have to put this back above my head. Maybe I see some animals. I also saw some squirrels and moose. I saw moose. Many other and many other animals. There are many, Ooh. And I think I made you quick. I say goodbye now because I don't know really. Maybe it's a bit. I don't know where I'm going. So goodbye, guys, and have a nice day. Stay safe. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.